Okay, let's practice the new words with a song. Here we have some toys. This is a swing, and this is a slide, and this is a bike. This toy is a ball, and this is a kite, and this is a scooter. So the invitation is, come and play outside today. Come and play with my new toy. I have a new toy. So, what's the new toy? Is it a swing? No, it isn't. Is it a slide? No, it isn't. Is it a bike? Yes, it is. Here is the bike. Come and play with my bike today. So let's listen.
Listen and sing.
Come and play outside today. Come and play with my new toy. Is it a swing? No, it isn't. Is it a slide? No, it isn't. Is it a bike?
Yes,
it is. Come and play with my bike today.
Okay, so now the second part. Come and play outside today. Come and play with my new toy. Is it a ball? No, it isn't. Is it a kite? No, it isn't. Is it a scooter? Yes, it is. Come and play with my scooter today. Let's listen.
Come and play outside today. Come and play with my new toy. Is it a ball? No, it isn't. Is it a kite? No, it isn't. Is it a scooter? Yes, it is. Come and play with my scooter today. Come and play outside today. Come and play with my new toy.
Good. Okay, shall we sing the whole song together? Are you ready? Let's sing from the beginning.
listen and sing.
Come and play
Outside today, come and play with my new toy.
Is it a swing?
No,
it isn't. Is it a slide?
no,
it isn't. Is it a bike?
yes.
Yes, it is. Come and play with my bike today. Come and play
Outside today, come and play with my new toy.
Is it a ball?
No,
it isn't. Is it a kite?
no,
it isn't. Is it a scooter?
yes.
Yes, it is. Come and play with my scooter today.
Come and play outside today.
Outside today.
Come and play with my new toy. Yes, it was fantastic.